Hi, this is Andy Hancock, and thank you for watching the video. It makes a great difference to what we do. Remember to like, follow, and subscribe. Now on to the show. So welcome to the video on how to carve this enormous block of sand. This is the first one. What we're using is our large trowel, a 2x8 margin trowel. And as you can see, I'm just cutting the top of a giant pencil, making it like an A shape at the first. You cut the giant side cuts and then you go to the back of it and cut the same angle on the front face. So that's all we're doing, just the large cuts down the side with the big trowel. Keep it nice and straight. I mean, obviously you have to get used to this thing, but it is very fast once you got used to it. So take some of the top off just to release the top of that tower. You can't push against the top because it'll just break. So large cuts down the side and then take the debris away to release the top of the pencil. So a lot of people get nervous about how fast I'm going. Well, we only had about 90 minutes to do this, so I am moving pretty quickly. But the big trowel gives you that ability. And the more you use it, the more you'll get used to it and the faster you will be. But yeah, I was ripping along. But that's what it's for. It's called roughing out, and that's exactly what it's for. And that's what you should get used to. You can also see I've roughed out the front tower and the next pencil beside it. Obviously on this view you're going to say, oh, you just started one pencil and now all of a sudden there's all this other stuff. Well, yes, as you go along, I mean, I wanted a slightly smaller pencil next to it to give that double tower effect. So that's why I just ripped it out again. So it's the same procedure. And the front squared off round top thing, sort of arch top. But that was more difficult to get finished correctly in the time, so we left it in the end. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and obviously I realised that not all of you are going to attack such a big piece of sand, but this is a video really aimed at the more experienced builders who want to move up to the bigger stuff. There's nothing wrong with following it to do it on the smaller castles too. I use my big trowel on the small castles all the time. It just means when you can rough out and produce a rough shape, you'll be able to get the base, the roughed out castle mapped out a lot faster. So that's what the videos are for. Hope you enjoy it. Press like, subscribe, follow, all the other stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.